We're doing another One Piece card opening. This is the best card I pulled. The Usopp. How do I put this down? And this is from the last video. A lot of random stuff. Smoker. And then this is like my best card from my other set. We got Doflamingo. I'm gonna grab two more packs. I'm gonna do 2 packs this video. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna open these real quick. Alright, Punk Hazard. Oh crap. Punk Hazard. Big guy. Another big guy. Frankie. Whitebeard. No. Tenured Igloo. We have Brooke just chilling. Room. 5. And then, wait. Yeah. Of course, we got Dracula Mihawk and Rono Joe. Alright, next pack. Alright, we got Bartolomeo, Nico Robin, Big Guy once again, Corona, Scotch, a Law card, Apu, Minecraft Chopper, UFO, Gumo UFO Pika, Senior Pink, and Vinsmoke Sanji. Right now, I'm doing a bonus pack. Alright, bonus pack, Frankie, Bellamy, Social, Dragon Mother 13, Dragon Number, Tenured Igloo, Sai, Momonosuke, Logus, Caesar Clown, Smiley, and Punk. I'm gonna go read that because I'm feeling like that, chat.